Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
It's Jessica, and I'm back with another amazing walking tour video. Today, we're taking a serene walk on the crystal clear waters of Tossa De Mar Beach in Barcelona, Spain. I can't wait to show you all the beautiful sights and sounds of this magnificent place. As we start our walk, I want to remind you to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. It really helps to support my channel and keeps me motivated to create more travel content for you all.
If you want to see the hottest video of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now let's get back to the stunning scenery of Tossa De Mar Beach. As I walk along the shore, I'm mesmerized by the clear blue waters and the way the sun reflects off the waves. The sand is soft and warm under my feet, and I can feel a cool breeze blowing through my hair. It's the perfect day for a walk on the beach. As we continue our walk, we come across some interesting sights. There are beautiful rock formations jutting out of the water, creating a breathtaking view. I can hear the sound of the waves crashing against the rocks, and it's so peaceful and calming. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of this video. And if you have any suggestions for future travel destinations, feel free to share them with me.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.